The perfect apple tart. To make the pastry, place the flour, icing sugar, and butter in a food processor and process until the mixture resembles fine breadcrumbs. Add the egg yolk and water and process until dough just comes together. Lightly flour the surface and gently knead the dough until just smooth. Shape into a disc. Wrap in plastic wrap and place in the fridge for 30 minutes to rest. Roll the pastry out on a lightly floured surface to a 3mm thick disc. Line a 22 cm by 30 cm, that's the base measurement, round fluted tart tin with removable base with the pastry. Roll a rolling pin across the top to trim the edge, then press the pastry into the side of the pan. Use a small sharp knife to trim the edge. Place in the fridge for 30 minutes to rest. Preheat oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Line the pastry case with baking paper. Scrunching the paper first helps it get into the side of the pan. And fill with pastry weights or rice. Push the weights to the edge of the pan. Bake for 10 minutes. Remove the paper weights or rice and bake for a further 8 minutes or until lightly golden and dry to the touch. Remove from the oven. Reduce the oven temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. Use an electric mixer to beat the butter and sugar until pale and creamy. Add the egg and beat to combine. Add the almond meal and flour and stir to combine. Add the brandy and combine. Spoon the filling into the tart case and smooth the surface. Arrange apple slices on top of the filling. Bake, covering with foil, if over browning, for 30 to 35 minutes or until the apple is tender and filling is cooked through. Set aside. Here's a quick tip to get the tart out of the pan. Put a ramekin or glass on the bench top. Put the tart on the ramekin and the side of the pan will drop away. Easy as that.